Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to stuff my sinking funds binder, and I have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 pounds of side hustle money. I managed to sell some more stuff from home that I didn't need anymore. If you are new to my channel, this is my sinking funds binder that I try and stuff as regular as possible, because the envelopes in here are what I use on a regular basis. For example, my well-being I have, and that's for my manicure, pedicure and my vitamins, as well as my aqua aerobics. Then I have my hair, and also my going out, and then I have my hobbies, and I'm saving money for handyman. If I need a handyman at any time, maybe to put up a shelf or something, then I put in some money aside for that, because they can come up a bit pricey. It's not the materials really is expensive, can be depending on what it is, but it's also the workmanship, you know, the labor we call it here in the UK. So that's what I have in my sinking funds binder. Today I'm going to give, let's have a look, my well-being. It's got £70 in there, and I'm going to give it £20. So I'll just put the date today. I'm adding £20, so I now have £90 in there. Let's have a look. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. That's and then for my hair, I've not done anything for my hair, but it needs colouring and stuff now, so I need to just use that money. There's £60 in there. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and that's enough. And also my going out envelope, I should have 25 in here, and I will put a 10. So now I have 35. That's 20, 30, 35. And then my hobbies, I did say that I didn't want to spend any money in my hobbies until I got to £50. I'm on 40 now, and I'm going to put £10 in for my hobbies. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 now. But I'll keep on saving. I'll keep on adding to it, because I would like some new savings challenges, and I've got a couple of things that I need for my arts and crafts, but I'm going to keep saving for my budgeting items, like savings challenges and stuff, supporting the small businesses. I'm going to keep on saving because I've got enough to get me by right now. I really don't need any more to start confusing myself. I have my labour, that's 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And let's see what we've got here. I've got 20 here. I'm going to give it £10, and I'm going to colour it Each pig is £5. So 2 pigs and there. So we now have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's £60. That's right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And where shall I put that extra £10? I'm just thinking. I'll put it on my well-beings. Yeah, I'm going to put it with my well-being because the weather's getting on now and I'm going to need my money for aquarobics. My entry fees for aquarobics. So what I'll do, I'll just do that. So I did put an extra £20, so I'll just put 30. So I had 70, I'm going to add 30. And I will now have 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great. So I'll keep adding to that, so I'll have money for my entry into aqua aerobics, and I'm really looking forward to that. So that is that for my sinking funds. I've been rummaging through the house looking for things. You will be surprised of the amount of things that you accumulate throughout the years. What I do suggest is that you check out websites that's not charging fees as well, because that can accumulate to a lot of money for listing, and then if you sell anything then they take another set of money out for that. So always try and check for websites where you don't have to pay for listings. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.